Hello everyone, I am Ankita Rathod. I am working as an assistant professor at Rai School of Engineering at Rai University, Ahmedabad. Today's my topic is database management system. So first of all, this topic include so many various subtopics like data, database, what is DBMS, why we learn DBMS, what are different kinds of applications of DBMS, and what is field, what is record, and what is file. So first of all, what is data? Data means that is real data, that is facts or records. Suppose if I'm saying my name is Professor Ankita Rathod, then my name is my data. If I'm saying my Aadhaar number or PAN number, that is my data. The thing which is relatable to me, that is existed in this real world, that's called data. If I'm saying my student's name, then name of students, that is student's data. Student's mobile number is student's data. Student address is student's data. So the data of students relatable to that particular person. Student's name or Aadhaar number, that cannot become my data, or my name, my personal things, that cannot become my student's data. So data that is real, facts, and it existed in this real world. Next, what is DBMS? Database Management System. But before database management system, it is a combination of two words, data, DBMS, database plus management system. So we have to understand what is database. Okay, so database, it is a collection of interrelated data. If I am saying the database of students, then definitely the details of the students, it is included in the database of students. If I am saying the database of faculty, then all the details of faculty included in the database of faculty. Students data or students detail, it is not included in the faculty database, or faculty's detail, it's not included in the student database. So database, it is the same kind of data collection. Now the next, it is management system, that is totally based on database. So as I said, it is a combination of two words, database plus management system. So database management system is particular a collection of interrelated data and a set of programs which is manipulate to those data. Manipulation means what? Manipulation means different kind of operations, like we can do addition, deletion, updation, modification, so many operations which we are performing on the data which is stored in the database. Okay, so that is called manipulation. In the database, we are actually doing these operations on data, like we can store data, retrieve data, insert data, update data, like this. So it is actually a database plus a set of programs. In programs, we are doing actually manipulations, as I explained. Next, why we are learning DBMS? Before so many years, when the system is not established, people are used to write all the data and details in the register kind of notebooks and hard copies. Okay, so to maintain that kind of books, hard copies and all, it is very difficult. If we have uncounted data, okay, for 50 to 100 it is okay, but if it is uncounted data, in that form we need database system. So by that system we can go with very smoothly with this database operation. So efficiency and convenience, it is measured in the database proper software. That is why we are learning this database. Next, what is the different applications of database? Here I have mentioned some examples of applications: banking system, inventory system, library system, railway reservation system, college, university, hospital system, cyber cafe management system. Actually, what is this applications work on? Suppose if I'm saying banking system, then banking system application works on the database of different kind of data. First database will become, I can say, it is a customer data. So customer name, customer ID, customer, all the details, phone number, address, all the details of customer we can include as one database. Second thing, in banking system we can create a database for bank employees. So all the details now employees in that database, employees name, employees ID, employees address, employees branch number. Okay, so all the detail of that employee. This is banking system. If I talk about library system, then library definitely without students it is not completed. So students data is must. So we can create database of student as well as without books it's not possible. So in library we can also create a database of books. Same kind of railway reservation, college, university, and cyber cafe. Whatever the system, but particular database we have to define. So all these applications running totally based on the database platform. Next it is field, record, and file. What is field? Field is a character or a group of character that has a specific meaning. Field is generally it is also called as a data or entity. It is field, but here it should be a group of character or single character, that is same. It is also called a data item. It is represented in the database by single value. For example, here customer ID, name, society, city, whatever the fields of a customer. Suppose I have created one database. In that database, one table. That table is called student table. And if in this table, if I create 5 columns of details of students, student name, student ID, student address, student subjects. So the main title, main characters, okay, in the first row, which I have inserted, that called the field of that student database, student table. Next, record. What is record? It is a collection of logically relatable fields. Each field in a record contains a fixed size and fixed data type. If I have created record of student, then all the details of students should be the similar. If I am saying semester 5th students, then all the details of semester 5th only. If I'm saying computer IT branch faculty, then only the details of computer IT branch faculty. That kind of same kind of details, data that become a record. And the last, that is file. What is file? So now the file is a collection of field as well as record. So both the terms in this called file. So file is one kind of documentation or one database which is included field as well as record. But here there are two types of file, fixed length records and variable length records. What happens in fixed length records? Fixed length records, a file have a same size. Then it is said that a file is consisted fixed length records. Whatever the size of data that is included in that table, that is fixed for each and every data. So that is called fixed length records. Variable length records means the records have a different size, and then it is said it is consisted of variable length record. Here the size is different. Thank you so much for this talk.